So now we have entered step 6. In this step 6 we are going to deal with new kind of wood bars. The dimensions of the wood bar is half-inch thickness. So this is the thickness is half-inch, and the length is 17 centimeters, and the width is 2 centimeters. We have a length of 17 centimeters. So here we can see this is 17 centimeters long and is 2 centimeters wide and uh, half inch thickness. So this kind of wood pieces we need 4. So here are the remaining 3. So we have total 4 wood pieces. Now we can see how the holes are drilled to these 4 wood pieces. So the first wood piece is wood bar 1. I'm taking up the remaining 3 wood pieces. So we now deal with wood bar 1. So we have 3 holes on wood bar 1 side 1 and 2 holes on wood bar 1 side 2. So the hole 1 is 8 mm in diameter, and the center of hole should be 0.5 centimeters away from the top end. So this is the top end. I can mark it for you. This is the top end. Top end is top end, and here we have 8 mm hole, which is hole 1. Its diameter is 8 mm, and its center is 0.5 centimeters away from the top end. Here we have hole 2. This hole 2 is 3 mm in diameter and is 5 centimeters away from the top end. Here we have hole 3. Hole 3 is also of 3 mm in diameter and is 10 centimeters away from the top end. So when we turn on to the side 2 of wood bar 1, we again see 2 holes, hole 4 and hole 5. This hole 4 is 3 mm in diameter and is 4.5 centimeters away from the top end. Top end is the end where we have made 8 mm diameter hole. So the same end is the top end for the side 2 also. So hole 4 is 4.5 centimeters away from the top end, and hole 5 is drilled on the same side 2, and is drilled on the same side, and we can actually see how much distance the hole 2 is hole 5 is drilled. So we can see the hole 5 is the center of hole 5 is just 1 centimeter away from the bottom end. So this is the bottom end. This is the bottom end, this one. So it is 1 centimeter away from the bottom end. So with the same dimensions along with the dimensions of the hole and distances between the holes, and distance between the top end to the holes are the same to the wood bar 3. So we would be doing the same procedure, repeating the same procedure that which we have done to wood bar 1 on side 1 and side 2. So the same thing we are going to do for wood bar 3 on its side 1 and side 2. So we have completed drilling holes on wood bar 1 and wood bar 3. Now let's see how we have to drill holes on wood bar 2 and wood bar 4. So the same, we drill hole 1 on any one side or width side, namely side 1, with 8 mm diameter and is 0.5 centimeters away from the top end. And actually we can compare with the wood bar 3 and wood bar 2. We have hole 2 on wood bar 2, and the hole is the hole 2 of wood bar 2 is also the same distance from the top end, that the wood bar 1 and its hole 2. So we have wood bar wood bar 2 and its hole 1 is 8 mm in diameter and is 0.5 centimeters away from the top end. And also we have another hole 2, which is 5 centimeters away from the top end. And we don't have a third hole on wood bar 2 side 1. Instead we have hole 3 and hole 4 on wood bar 2 side 2. And these dimensions also the holes dimensions and the distance from the top end is also same when compared with wood bar 3 or wood bar 1. So you can copy the same dimensions of wood bar 2 side 2 from wood bar 1 side 2 or wood bar 3 side 2, because wood bar 1 and wood bar 3 are identical. Now the same procedure should be done to another wood bar. It is wood bar 4. So these two wood bars, wood bar 2 and wood bar 2 are identical. Wood bar 2 and wood bar 4 are identical, and these two form a pair. So before we move on to the assembly part, I need to explain some other hole which is not given any number, or else you can say it as hole number 6. Hole 6 is for 2 mm and should be drilled across the hole number 1. The diameter of hole 1 is 8 mm. So this should be drilled this way. I can explain the use of this hole later in the later videos. So we have drilled holes successfully, and we have numbered them. So in order to avoid confusion while assembling, so we can go to assembly part.